Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Love Art and Sketches. I hope you all are doing great. So today we are going to draw the cutest little baby Ganesha with holding a bowl of laddus and beautiful lotus. So let's start drawing. Let's draw Ganesha head. Start with a big round shape and add those iconic elephant ear and draw Ganesha trunk. Two little cutie eyes, row. Now let's draw Ganesha chubby body, hand and leg. Draw one hand holding a small bowl and the other hand holding the lotus flower. Now it's time to adding a Ganesha's turban. Add gentle folds to the turban to give it a soft following look. Draw a simple bow at the front of the turban, adding a touch of elegance. If you want to add someone intricate patterns or design to the turban like traditional Indian motifs, so you can add. Now it's time to shadings and colors time. Let's start with the skin tone. So now I am using a light orange and brown for shadings. Color the face first one, then ears, trunk, head and feet, and add a little orange on the cheek to make him a look sweet. Now I'm choosing a dark and light teal blue color for turban. I'm choosing yellow color for turban border. Color the laddus bright yellow or gold and the bowl. Now for dhoti, we are using a bright blue and purple color. Apply the base color first and then use a slightly dark blue to add shadow and fold to make the fabric look three-dimensional. Red color for tikka. And now color the beautiful lotus flower using a pink and red for lotus and green for stem. Now finish your drawing with a black marker. First only outline carefully, trace the outline of Ganesha with black marker and adjust the thickness of the outline, making it thicker where needed and thinner elsewhere. Enhance small details like eyes, turban design and trunk fold with the black markers. And now our drawing is ready. I hope you enjoyed drawing this beautiful Ganesha with me. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to Love Art and Sketches. For more fun drawings and tutorials, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.